The Carbery Dairy story starts with the fertile grasslands of West Cork, home to 1,220 shareholder farmers who operate within a 40-mile radius of our advanced dairy processing plant. 95% of the grass-fed milk they produce is used to make cheese, and year-round milk supply gives us the capacity to produce 300 tonnes daily. Our philosophy is that when it comes to creating exceptional cheeses, every little thing matters. Things like our huge focus on research, development and innovation, or things like our flexible cheesemaking facilities that allow us to develop highly specific recipes. Similarly, our exceptional in-house starter culture program starts the cheesemaking process and gives us the ability to tailor-make solutions for our customers. This attention to detail is also evident as our cheese matures. It is constantly tested or graded to make sure it reaches the desired flavour and functionality. Our focus on detail is also on show, as our chefs work alongside our customers to develop new and exciting applications. The wealth of knowledge of our scientists, chefs and graders and their passion for cheesemaking are evident in every mouthful we produce, whether for ready meals or sauces, for seasonings or processed cheese, or for bakery or pizza. Our wide selection of cheeses includes natural cheddars, while our Cheese Extra offers very high functionality across multiple baking and cooking scenarios. Pasta filata includes mozzarella, with an excellent stretch and a rich yellow colour, as well as our grilling cheese with halloumi-style characteristics. Speciality cheese is made up of Italian-style and inclusion cheeses, such as smoke, black pepper and chili. We also offer the professional range, which has been specifically developed for chefs in the food service sector. With a portfolio like this and a focus on exceptional product every time, is it any wonder that we say here at Carbery Dairy that we're all for cheese?